Cessna 606, extend downwind. And traffic is ahead and to your left on base helicopter. Keep the helicopter over your left hand side for me.
Extend downwind, helicopter inside 90560.
Cessna 606, traffic departing runway 2 left from intersection Zulu, Cessna. Runway 28 left, clear to land. You can expect a full stop taxi back on this one.
28 left, full stop, taxi back, 90560.
Approved to turn base 606. Cessna 606, base turn at your discretion.
Base center approved 90560.
Hayward ground citation 523 Tango Alpha at Meridian with Bravo and can taxi and take clearance when available.
Citation 523 Tango Alpha, Hayward ground, hold position, there's a banner coming right over the top of you there.
Citation 523 Tango Alpha, hold in position.
And give you your clearance while we wait for this banner off to be complete. November 523 Tango Alpha, clear to the Foxtrot Charlie Mike Airport via on departure, flight runway heading. Reaching 400 feet. Turn left heading 170. Radar vectors Altam, Linden, Mina VOR, which is Mike Victor Alpha, as filed. I'm to maintain 2000. Expect flight level 450 within 5 minutes. Departure frequency 125.35. And squawk code is 3270.
Okay, that's Foxtrot Charlie Mike Airport via runway heading up to 400 feet and left to 170. Radar vectors Altam, Linda, Mike Victor Alpha, then is filed up to 2, 4, 5, 0, and 5, 1, 2, 5, 3, 5, and 3270 on the squawk. 523 Tango Alpha.
Citation 523 Tango Alpha, your readback was correct. Linden is LIN, just in case you missed it there. L, Lima, India, November.
Lima, India, November. Thank you. 523, Tango Alpha.
Citation 3 Tango Alpha. Did you have AS Bravo, please?
You have Bravo, citation 3 Tango Alpha.
Citation 3 Tango Alpha, runway 28 left, taxi via Zulu, Zulu 1. Use caution for that Cessna there. I'm not talking to them.
Okay, 28 left via Zulu, Zulu 1, and I'll look out for that Cessna. Citation 3 Tango Alpha.
Zulu, Zulu 1, you are correct. And use, last thing for you there, use caution on Zulu 1. Full trip bars are non-standard, set back a bit. Hotspot number 5, have a good flight.
Do that, thank you. Citation 3 Tango Alpha.
Hayward ground, this is 95606. Just clear to runway with like a full stop taxi back to 28 left.
95606, Roger, give way to the jet outbound from Meridian and taxi 28 left at Zulu, via Zulu.
Taxi 28 left, Zulu via Zulu will give way to that jet, 95606.
Tower 95606, holding short 28 left at Zulu, ready for departure 95606.
Tower, this is 95606, holding short runway 28 left at Zulu.
Cessna 95606, Hayward Tower, hold for release. It'll be just a moment. Cessna 606, I was waiting for a release on that citation jet because of weight turbulence. Expect approximately 3-minute departure delay. And hold short runway 28 left at Zulu. I'm not sure if that citation will be able to squeeze past if you do so. So hold short runway 28 left at Zulu for me, please.
Roger, 95606.
Cessna 606, thank you. Expect 3-minute departure delay for weight turbulence.
Roger that, 606.
Cessna 606, unable pattern work, do you have a departure request?
Left downwind towards San Carlos Airport, 90566.
Cessna 606, make a left crossing for me then. Left crossing at or below 1,000 till the shoreline, runway 2 left at Zulu, clear for takeoff.
Left crosswind 28 to left, clear for takeoff, 90566.
Cessna 606, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, thank you for the help, 90566.